How to add caption on iMovie. In this quick video, I'll show you how to add captions or subtitles to your video using iMovie. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded iMovie on your MacBook or your iPhone. Remember that this app is not available on Android device. After that, click on search bar and open iMovie app. Now load the project you want to add captions to. If you are on your Mac, click the Titles tab at the top, and for iPhone or iPad, tap the plus icon. Then choose the Titles option. Pick a simple style like lower third, standard or centered, depending on where you want the caption to appear. Drag it to the timeline and drag the title to the spot in the timeline where you want the caption to appear. Click on the title in the preview window and replace the text with your caption. You can also adjust the font size and positions. After that, stretch or shorten the title in the timeline to match how long you want the caption on your screen. And that's it. This is how you can add a caption on iMovie. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.